Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today, it's still raining. I haven't put videos because I was, I will just, anyways, I was just practicing graduation, and I was high.
Mga active ninyo, guyuro ninyo.
Yeah. And
Maluwi ko ni ate sa imagine ako.
we're gonna find one. Yeah. This is really cool. Like that. Sometimes in a good weather, they can be here. Bird! Yeah! So let's go there. Find it clear. So let's go.
Una dia gauna-una. Wa man na kuha. Sila ganyan silang dosi kana oh pwede pa tayo doma kay wala may kuha na panay kuha pa sa bahay.
Anak kita unahan nagpanglipyong atbang kay nagpatubang na imuhang bisita diya sa kuan.
Nagbuhat ka kamali ka sa
Aircon to.
Wait, let me use you as a zooming. Is that a stingray egg? Nope. That's just a rock. So, we didn't find one.
Uy, you go to Japan?
Yeah.
What you buy for me? Huh? What you want to buy? Anything? Buy for me something, huh? I've been in Japan when I was with 34 years old.
Okay.
Then after that, never. I don't know now what is Japan now. Now I'm already old. I'm already 51. Many years already. I plan to come with you, but I don't know. Then your mom and papa, mama and papa, will come? Huh? No? Only you?
Ari,
Better you bring Scarlett.
never.
Makadugay ni anak rin lugar dia. Sunod dahil na lugar.
Well, it's good to go there. Luis. Well, Zyle, my classmate, will come here, and even Nick Sander is invited. But Zyle is going Nick Sander's house to play tennis. So, yeah.
Next time